Now with the bead broken, we got to put this wheel up on this onto the tire changer and fit the rim in these little slots here. Of course, we got to make sure that we're in the right setting for the rim diameter, which is 17 inches. And there's a little scale on the side here that I've already set it to 16 to 19. So this goes here. The hardest part is getting these little things here to grip the rim. Pushing the rim down and getting them to grip. That's the hardest part of this. What a time that I had to do it, I tell you. So it's all firmly set there. Hopefully it's firm enough, and I'm going to start taking off the tire now. So once you get the end of the bar in, you have to make sure that you press down on the tire so that the tire opposite the bar end, the bar that the tip that you're sticking in, is this side here has got to be definitely towards the middle of the rim to give enough stretch to the end of the rim. Once you fight with that for about 10 minutes and you get it done, then it's just a matter of doing that. After you grease, put some soapy water here and get that off. So now we just gotta flip the tire over. Actually, we should be able to pull it off from this side. Again, the whole trick is to make sure that the tire is at an angle. So I don't know if I can just pull this off. No, I can't. Now we just got to get the inner bead of the tire off of the rim. As you can see, this rim is fairly flat. It doesn't have a big depression in the center line, so it's not so easy to get that pry bar into that other side. You have to fight with it for a while, but okay. Got it. So this is where you use the yellow thing, and it's called the yellow thing from Nomar. You put it down there, and then you come around like this. And hopefully the tire doesn't rotate on you. However, this one seems to want to rotate. And this is the tricky part. Oh, this is not. So that's no good on this. But you see, this is gonna run the risk of coming out. We're going towards the truck now. It's gonna go, it's gonna go. Oh, it's coming out. Shit. If I keep slipping out, so you gotta hold it flat.
Oh gosh.